Mathematics is a language and culture in its own right. Just like any language, it has its own specific and technical maths vocabulary. Understanding these terms is fundamental for children to master the curriculum. Addition is about combining quantities. The numbers that we add together are called the addends, and the result of the answer we call the sum. For instance, 2 and 3 equals 5, 2 and 3 are addends, and 5 is the sum. And so why is this important and how does it impact on reasoning? Well, if we think about the example that we've just given, 2 add 3, let's say we add 1 to one of the addends. The impact that has on the sum is that the sum increases by 1. Similarly, if we subtract 1 from one of the addends, so we could have 1 add 3 instead of 2 add 3, the impact is clear on the sum. Now, this really broad generalisation allows children then to apply it to any maths concepts that involves addition. And similarly, subtraction involves taking away one quantity from another. The start number is the minuend, and the number being subtracted is the subtrahend. The result is the difference. For example, 7 take away 4 equals 3. 7 is the minuend, 4 is the subtrahend, and the difference is 3. Again, this generalisation allows children to really tighten up their reasoning in the classroom, rather than children being vague in their responses and saying this number and that number, or the digit such and such. It really just allows a really focused, really tight response in lessons, and really supports children's understanding of the concept of subtraction and making connections across the curriculum as well. For multiplication, this involves repeated addition or scaling of numbers. The numbers being multiplied are called factors, and the result is called the product. For example, 2 times 4 equals 8. Where 2 and 4 are factors, 8 is the product. Once children are secure with the vocabulary of factor and product, we can then start and explore the relationship with children. For example, 2 times 4 equals 8. If we double one of the factors, so if we double 4 to 8, we could see the impact that this has on the product. And so by doing this, children will start and make the connection between 2 times 4 equals 8 and 2 times 8 equals 16, looking for the relationship, looking for the connections between the calculations. Division is the process of sharing or partitioning a quantity into equal parts. The number being divided is called the dividend. The number by which it is divided is the divisor, and the result is the quotient. For example, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 10 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, and 5 is the quotient. This vocabulary can really develop children's understanding of division. For example, do children recognise when using short division that you can never have a remainder which is greater than the divisor, for example? Mastering and using this mathematical vocabulary lays the foundation of deeper comprehension of arithmetic and calculation. It enables children to work through problems and reason, to develop a stronger mathematical thinking. By embracing these terms, teachers, parents can empower young learners to navigate the fascinating world of numbers with confidence and with clarity.